Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you one more super easy stitch that will be perfect for hats for sure, for scarves and for cuffs, sock cuffs for example. The stitch is mostly ribbon knit 1 purl 1 but with some knots and I will show you how to do them really easy. For this tutorial I'm using medium worsted weight yarn and you will need to cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 2 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. If you are knitting the stitch in round, just cast any even number. So let's get started. And because now I'm on the wrong side, you see these ridges, it means that I'm on the wrong side. And I form the stitch pattern on the right side. Now we are going to knit first row and I'm going to call it 0 row, the row that we are not going to repeat, just to turn knitting on the right side. So slip the first stitch and just a simple ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, 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 knit 1, and at the end selvage stitch we will always purl it. Turn. Now from this row we start counting and this is row number 1 and we will repeat the stitch pattern from row number 1. Slip the first stitch and purl 1, knit 1. So simple ribbon, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, turn, slip the first stitch and go on knitting ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 till the end, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 3 will be the same as row number 1, just a ribbon, go on, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, let's do it together. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, knit 1, 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 purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Perfect. Turn. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, ribbon till the end. Turn. And now we will start forming those knots. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, and now from the next knit stitch we need to make 3 stitches. So knit the next stitch through the front loop, do not drop it, then through the back loop, do not drop it, and then again through the front loop. And now drop the stitch of the needle. And let's repeat. Purl 1, again knit stitch, so knit it through the front loop, knit it through the back loop, and again knit it through the front loop. And drop. Purl 1. Let's repeat. knit the stitch through the front loop, then knit the stitch through the back loop, and again knit the stitch through the front loop, and only after drop it off the needle. For one, and again front loop, back loop, and again front loop, drop, purl 1, and for the last time through the front loop, through the back loop, again through the front loop, purl 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Great. Turn on the wrong side and row number 6, slip the first stitch. Now knit 1, and next 3 stitches purl 3 together, and that's it. Repeat, knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 1, purl 3 together for the last time. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. There are in total 6 rows, and now we are going to repeat everything from the row number 1, not row number 0, but row number 1. Knit row number 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and so on. So that's how the stitch is looking. If you want to make knots a little bit closer, so you may knit only 2 rows between of the ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. I did 4. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and find the written instruction on my blog. Check link down below. Stay tuned for more stitch tutorials. Bye!